I'm David with Integrity Window Tinting. Today we're out here at Outlaw Pickle in San Antonio. They had a major glare issue for all their players on the inside courts. Too much sun. They called us, we have the solution. Come inside, see what we did to reduce all that glare.